For the last 5 years, Any Hour has maintained a retention rate of 96%. This is their story.
So if they're doing 4 pieces of equipment, they're probably there close to 5 hours, 4.5 hours.
Some strive to be good. But for this company, they desire more. They aim for greatness. And for them, the secret in going from good to great is all about the people. Every Tuesday morning, potential candidates are invited by employees to attend the weekly meeting.
Jesse Johnson's and you're in school right now for HVAC?
For these candidates, this is but the start of a day-long journey of touring the facility, meeting friendly faces, sampling what it's like to work at Any Hour, and earning an opportunity for a face-to-face interview with the owners, all in hopes of hearing the words, "We'd like to have you join our team."
Being the best and making sure each and every one of you guys are succeeding. Be successful. It's taken a lot of years. Hard work.
For those who earn the honor of wearing this uniform, it means more than just a career. It means joining a family.
When you run alone, you run fast. But when you run together, you run far.
A family that believes and invests in its people, that come together to do great things.
One nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
That celebrates the victories along the way. And this family is fueled by an inspiring vision. A vision that is consistently and passionately shared, bonding this family together, creating purpose and alignment for everything they do. And whether it's the weekly trainings to understand how to communicate effectively with different personalities, or the personal coaching sessions with managers, or the active daily involvement from the owners, or perhaps the culture that's been created by everything Any Hour does and stands for. One thing is for sure, once people experience it, they've found their family. What is it that drives a person to return day after day, week after week, just for a chance to be a part of a company, a chance to wear a uniform? Whatever it is, when they make it, when they become part of that team, they stay, and they rarely ever leave. What fuels the energy surrounding this company? The teamwork? Is it the unwavering dedication? The unparalleled leadership? The answer lies within the heartbeat of this company. And one thing is certain. At Any Hour, it's all about the people. And it always has been.